Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to show battery percentage in your phone near iQOO Z9s 5G. If you would like to show the battery percentage in the battery icon near status bar here, yes, you can do it. As of now, it's not showing any battery percentage. Only battery icon is showing here. Suppose if you would like to show the battery percentage, how much battery percentage is remaining available in your phone, yes, you can do it. What to do, just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to the settings and then go to notifications and status bar, and here select status bar, and here we will find battery style and percentage, and here just turn on this button, display outside battery percentage. As of now it is selected to don't display. Okay, if you would like to display, click on the second one, yes, display outside battery. So see, battery percentage is displaying, it is 69% as of now. So in this way you can easily show battery percentage in your phone near battery icon in the status bar of your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.